Few tools in history have been as quietly indispensable as a simple length of cord. Soldiers in frozen trenches, pioneers on the frontier, and hunters in dense forests all understood it. One piece of rope can be a lifeline, a weapon, a tool, and a safety net. Today, we're diving into 10 bushcraft hacks using nothing more than a rope in your pocket, each inspired by old-world survival and the cunning ways our ancestors turned scarcity into power. And if you love uncovering survival secrets lost to time, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your front row seat to the forgotten war fronts starts here. History whispers in the woods. In centuries past, explorers and soldiers often had to process wood and materials in the snow, far from a workshop. With a knife, a stick, and a piece of cord, you can craft a draw knife that mimics the precision of a workshop tool. Loop the rope tightly around the stick, whip it down, and thread the knife handle into a split. Suddenly you have a tool that shaves and shapes wood with control, even 2 feet above a snow-covered ground. This isn't just bushcraft. It's survival engineering learned from cold fronts and frozen campaigns, a testament to resourcefulness under pressure. When material needs processing, keeping it stable is non-negotiable. Soldiers and scouts knew the value of a secure setup, and a simple rope can act as a vice on a tree or branch. Tie an arbor knot around the tree, twist the rope with a stick to lock it in place, and you've created a makeshift clamp strong enough for carving, shaving, or splitting wood. It's a lesson in physics married to ingenuity, a tool that's simple but life-saving, especially in the harsh conditions that shaped history. An improvised anvil might sound like a luxury, but survival history proves otherwise. By anchoring a birch log with a slip knot to a tree, the rope creates a steadfast platform. You can hammer, carve and process material without worrying about wobbling or sinking into the snow. In historical campaigns, where traditional benches and anvils were luxuries, resourceful minds learned to convert what was at hand into what was necessary. The wilderness has always demanded respect. Traps were the frontier hunter's insurance and the soldier's silent ally. A rope can give you the power to safely engage or disengage a trap. Thread it through the mechanism to create a pulley system and pull without risking injury. Beyond utility, this hack shows the rope's dual nature. It is both a safety device and a tactical instrument. Knowledge like this has saved countless hands, fingers and lives in the forests of forgotten conflicts. In the field, sometimes the high-hanging branch holds the prize, and historical lumberjacks and scouts knew this well. By lashing a saw to a pole with rope, you create a simple extension to reach elevated materials. Whip it tight, lock it with a tag, and harvest high-up resources safely. This technique mirrors the clever improvisation soldiers and pioneers used when every inch mattered, and ingenuity could mean survival. Every expedition needs order. Wrapping blankets or folding gear is easy, but keeping it compact requires a clever knot. A lark's head with a cinch from a running end of rope keeps items tight and transportable. Soldiers on cold fronts often had to make do with what they carried. Keeping bedding, tarps and blankets controlled could mean the difference between comfort and hypothermia. With this rope technique, history and practicality converge in one simple act. Carrying kindling with bare hands is a recipe for lost heat and energy. Rope can quickly convert into a firewood harness. Tie overhand knots on both ends, place your bundle in the middle, loop the ends together, and pull tight to form a handle. This method is deceptively simple, but echoes the ingenuity of frontier survivalists and soldiers hauling vital fuel across snowy terrain. It's strength in simplicity, a lesson learned where every calorie and every spark counted. Hands free, tools secure. Soldiers and explorers had to climb, clear brush, and move swiftly, and rope can serve as an impromptu belt to carry tools like hatchets. An alpine butterfly knot creates a loop for the handle, and a square knot secures it around your waist. Position the blade safely behind you, and you've got mobility without compromise. This is the rope as utility, weapon, and lifeline, all in one. Even in camp, keeping tools off the ground is a lesson in preservation. Rope can suspend a hatchet, preventing rust and damage. A lark's head and twist secure it vertically, locking it in place. This small act, drawn from centuries of fieldcraft, reflects the foresight of those who survived harsh landscapes with minimal equipment. Tools were assets, and rope ensured they remained reliable. The final hack is as critical as any tool itself. Manage your rope. Coiling it with a stopper knot and securing the coil with a wrap keeps it ready, tangle-free, and instantly deployable. Soldiers and survivalists alike knew that a rope ready at a moment's notice could turn a desperate situation into a manageable one. Proper cord management is an unspoken skill, a secret weapon that ensures every other hack is within reach when you need it most. Rope is deceptively simple, yet its history is woven into every frozen battlefield, every forgotten forest, and every harsh frontier. With these 10 bushcraft hacks, one length of cord transforms from a mundane item into a multifunctional survival system. You can carve, lift, secure, transport, and protect, all from a single piece of rope carried in your pocket. It's light, compact, and utterly indispensable. Every knot, every loop, every pull is a lesson passed down from explorers, soldiers, and woodsmen who thrived in conditions we can barely imagine. These techniques aren't just hacks. They are a bridge to the ingenuity of the past, a practical legacy that still has the power to keep you alive and effective in the wild. So, next time you step into the woods, or prepare your kit for an adventure, remember this. A simple piece of rope is not just rope. It's history, safety, and versatility, all coiled up and waiting for you to put it to work. Keep one in your pocket, practice these techniques, and embrace the frontier mindset that allowed humanity to thrive against impossible odds. If this deep dive into survival secrets sparks your curiosity, hit that subscribe button and share this with fellow explorers. The forgotten tricks of the past deserve to be carried forward, and your next adventure might just depend on a simple length of rope.